After connecting the power, turn on the main switch. Now move on to the operations panel. This is the switch of the power supply. And then, let's first look at the side. There's a button that controls the light. This is a high-frequency switch. This is an automatic switch. This is the time system. We have adjusted the parameters for you. This is where the mode needs to be installed. And then we put the welding material in here. Next, tap the pedal with your foot and the machine starts welding automatically. Now let's look at the operation again from a distance. The first step is to place the materials. Step 2. Lightly pedal with your foot. Third, wait for the welding to finish. In addition, the machine is equipped with an infrared counterpoint device. You can manually adjust the infrared to match your product alignment. Manual operation method. First, set the button to manual. This is the button that pulls the machine down. This is the button that goes up the machine. Let's bring the machine down again. Then press the yellow button and the machine starts welding. When the machine is finished welding, we press the big button in the middle and the machine will rise. Let's look at the side of the machine. There is also an operation panel on this side, which functions as buttons on the main panel.